Good morning, students. Now we'll discuss how to use project board. Okay, this is it is a project board. Okay, and it is used for testing of electronic circuit. Without soldering, we can test any electronic circuit. So, students, you see here many holes are there. I will explain one by one. See here, horizontal. This is the horizontal lines, the two rows. Okay, the two rows each having five holes. So these are all for the connections. So here I have taken the drawing of this one, how it can be used. See these two rows, okay, each having five holes. They are for horizontal connection purpose, and this is 1 2 3 4 5, and here also 1 2 3 4 5. They are all horizontally linked. I will show you how it is connected. So I written here horizontal. Okay, so and here this section is the here written A B C D E, and offside 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 64. So these sections are the vertical connections, all vertical connections of continuity. They are having continuity with each other. So this is horizontal continuity and this one vertical continuity. And here again F G H I J I am written here. F G H I J is also vertical continuity. So actually this board you can it is 4 part. You can say 4 part. That is 1 2 3 4 5. So from here one section, and this one the 64. So up to 32 is one section, and similarly this 5 is one section, and this side 5 is one section. So this first two rows for horizontal continuity, and this up to 32, A1 to A32, and this E1 to E32, these are for vertical continuity. So I will show you using the line tester and multimeter. I will show you. I have taken two testing devices. So I will show you how these are connected. Okay, so let us see. See, I have taken one resistor because this hole require a small limb or lead. So I have taken this one. So now I am inserting this one. You can use any other wire also, strong wire you can use it. So in first row I am testing. You see, now we have to see the this is valid up to which point. So for this I have taken another strong limb. So I have kept here, and see, I will test this one. That means both are interconnected. So in circuit diagram, wherever you want to solder, you need to solder, these are automatically connected. See, this is horizontal, this is 5. But again you see here, suppose I will keep. So now I am using the first row, and this when I will keep here, you see what is happening. See, it is also connected. So you can insert any electronic component like a resistor, transistor, diode. Okay, so capacitor, using this type holes. See, they are all one connection. This is continuity. See, this one I will insert here. You see, so this one also connected. Again you see this one also connected. So up to this one also connected. So 1 2 3 4 it has gone. Now 5. So this is also connected. This one continuity tester consists of LED and battery. So you can make it. In my next video I will show how to make this one. This one available in the market. It costs around 30 rupees. This is a continuity tester, DC continuity tester. See, this one also okay. Now you see from here, you see this one is okay. That means from this line to this much, so all holes are interconnected, their continuity. Now come to this one, let us see what is happening. So this is not connected. That means up to this section is okay. Now let us see this ground one also the same. Is it connected? You see, let us see. So this one inserted in the first row last one, and this one second row first. See, they are not connected. That means they are different. Again this one I'll keep here. See, that means the both rows are separate connections. Okay, so now again you see I'm keeping here, so they are also connected. So this one also connected. So the all second row having continuity, their connection, interconnection between the holes. Okay, so soldering is not required. Okay, I'll show you how to use this one. Now again I'll keep here. See, not connected. That means this section is totally different than this section. Okay, now I'll take out this one and I'll check this one. Now see, let us see what is happening. So all horizontal. See, these two are connected. Okay, so similarly I'll keep here. This also connected. So wherever you want to insert this one, because electronic components are once you solder, again resoldering, again soldering, it is very difficult. So without soldering the things, you can test like this. So this one also connected, this one connected. That means this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are all, the second row are interconnected. Okay, so now you will see the first one. You will see the first this one. You will see this one also connected. But if I keep this here, it will not connect. Okay, that means if a new component can inserted here. So this way you can use the board. Now I see, I'll show you this one. See, this one also connected. So any hole like corresponding to this one, it will connected. This one also connected. This one also okay. So that means we are getting up to 1 to 25. Okay, so the first row there are one connection, and 26 to 50 this is another connection. Similarly second row 1 to 25 one connection, and 26 to 50 another connection. So here I color this one. This is horizontal connections. These are all same. They are all same. This one up to boundary. Okay, and this one again the second one. This is from here to here the same connection, but horizontally you have to insert. Wherever you see the study the circuit, and wherever you need soldering, you need to solder the same point you can connect horizontally, and that will be connected automatically. Okay, this offside is a plastic, but inside is a nickel plates are there, well designed and interconnected. Now come to this one. Okay, this second section, this row is over, 2 rows over, and now this come to the, this is see here it is written A, B, C, D, E. Okay, these are rows. So this is A row, B row, C, D, E, the row. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all coordinate system. For counting it will be easier, so they made it like this. And here 1 to 32, here small numbers are here on to 32, but actually 64. So up to 32 you see these are all vertical connections. Vertical, you can break it from here, you can break it and you can make separate. So total will be 4 part. You can make 4 part. Okay, the smaller piece also available. So 1 to see A, B, C, D, these are breaking line. You can break it and make it small. Okay, and small also available. Okay, so see this one. Let us test this one. So this one A, I inserted this one, and I have taken another A1 and E1. I am connecting. Okay, this one vertical, you see. See, they are connected. So here horizontal and this one vertical. So suppose soldering required this side, so without soldering you can fix the component, the limbs. You have to clean the limbs and you can insert. Okay, see, if I connect here, this is the A1 and E2, so they will not connected. This is, they are separate. Okay, so wherever new components is required, so you can keep it. So just like see, suppose diode having diode or transistor, okay, or resistance or two limbs, so you can keep it in. Don't see, they are not connected. They are not connected. Okay, so like this way. Again, suppose I am inserting this one here. That means see, here to here they are connected, but this one not connected. Okay, so this is another point. So A1 to E1 they have same connection line, and A2 to E2 they are different. See, this one also, this one also. Now similarly, suppose anywhere if you insert, you see they are not working. That means they are all different. But when you are transferring this one to here, so see, they are connected. That means inside this their connection. So no soldering is required. Without soldering, if you fix another component here, then automatically both the component will connected. See, so all vertical lines. So A1 to E1, this is one line. Similarly, A64 to E64 another line. So let us test here this side. See, they are also connected. So similarly, anywhere you will keep. So this two will not connected. But if you, so that is why while making the electric circuit project, you have to count the lines. See, there are same line, but here they are different. They are different. They both are different. They are same. So this way you can use this project board. Without soldering you can make various electronics project. Now this one, the another section, this is F1 to J1. So there is the same thing, this is repeating. Only thing is you have to count the things. See, these are not connected. These are another section, this is another section. See, these are different lines. So only you have to see the coordinate. Now again you see here. In class many students they ask, sir, how to use? So this way you can use. So wherever soldering is required, you can insert here. Without soldering you can do it. And wherever no soldering is required, the different components or the limb, so you have to connect in other side. Now so this one F1 to J1, and here this is F64 to J64. So like that, like here also I have written here FGHIJ 1 2 3 4 32. Actually these are vertical connections, so I colored in other color. So like this way it will be connected. That all continuity is having. Again at the bottom again we will find two rows that are having continuity. From here to here any connection is there? Let us see. Nothing is there. But from here to here, when we will insert this one, again this one horizontal. See, is working. So up to which, let us see. See. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to 5, this row is different. Means they are all connected in the same. So wherever you will insert, you can work. Without soldering, you can insert this one. And if you connect here, it will not work. Okay, but it has connection with here. See, this line is connected, total connected, and here again you see they are not connected. But if you keep this side, they are connected. See, this one and this one, it is not connected. And if I keep here, they are connected. So this way you can use the project board to experiment any electronics projects without soldering. So you can reuse the components. So now see, the same thing using the multimeter we can test. I am keeping here, so you can hear a small sound. So for that I have kept one mic also here. You can notice the sound. Okay, see, I kept in row 2. Let us see, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So I'll move to the buzzer section of the multimeter. So you can move the knob. Okay, this is the digital multimeter, the buzzer section. So you can hear the one small sound. Okay, let us see, they are connected. Now I will connect from here to here. Now see, they are connected. So by using multimeter also you can, the sound is less, so you have to listen carefully. See, these two are connected. They are also connected. Now see, so here there are vertical lines. So this is also connected, and I'll here I am just showing you whether it's working or not using the buzzer. Multimeter buzzer testing. So it is coming, I am hearing. So you have to see whether you are able to hear or not, but this way you can test by using the multimeter. It also coming. So this, so again students, I am telling, use always this project board. Okay, it is very much helpful to make different electronics projects. Okay, these are the basic. So need not to spend more. Once you purchase, you can test various your circuits using this, and it will help you to save money and time without soldering. Or you can test and make or design different circuits. Okay, so my appeal to you all to understand this one, study carefully. See, these are the horizontal connections and these are the vertical connections. So by purchasing the smaller one also, you can test various electronics projects. Thank you.